This is Sonos' premium portable speaker, the Sonos Move 2, and they've made numerous of changes over the months, weeks, and even days. But is this speaker right for you? I chose a Tewell 2610 to go get the Sonos Move 2 because this is $26 and this is $450.
Is Costco better than Sam's Club? Let's find out. If you see this, it's a discontinued item. If it ends with 00, the manager wants it gone for good. If it ends with a 79, it's a manufacturer's special offer. If it ends with a 97, it is a rare manager's special deal. If it ends with this number, it means you are paying full price. Just remember these codes, and this is why.
Now I'm going to compare the Sonos Era 300 against the Sonos Move 2. They're both at the same price at $450, but is it worth it?
Costco is better than Sam's Club. Let's find out. If you see this, it's a discontinued item. If it ends with 00, the manager wants it gone for good. If it ends with a 79, it's a manufacturer's special offer. If it ends with a 97, it is a rare manager's special deal. If it ends with this number, it means you are paying full price. Just remember these codes, this is why.
I'm not joking, this is the best bass I've ever heard, and it sounds very fresh, like you're actually in there. That's when my uncle was young, he used to collect all of these different types of speakers. So I asked him what he thinks, and he said it's very convenient, it's portable, and he loves that there's a Bluetooth option. But the sound, this is what he thinks.
The sound, it produces a good crispy sound. So even if it's in a big room with a lot of people, you clearly hear the music and the details of it.
And comes in 3 different colors: black, white, and olive. Sonos supports Amazon Echo, Sonos Assistant, but unfortunately not Google Home. Sonos directly told me Google recently changed the technical requirements for Google Assistant on third-party devices. We're evaluating these requirements, and in the meantime, we'll continue to prioritize work that builds on our vision of voice assistants all working concurrently. We remain hopeful that Google Assistant will be part of this ecosystem one day. Over the past year, Google seems to not be interested in audio hardware and software in order to make it sound better. When I started, I bought the Google Home for its intended multi-room pairing, but now you need a subscription. In fact, Google was sued for patent infringement by Sonos. Instead of working with Sonos together, Google's decision to remove these functions on these speakers when we already paid a good amount of money is disappointing. So I looked elsewhere. I never really looked at Sonos because they're expensive and their marketing sounds enticing. The Move 2 cannot pair with the Move 1 due to the sound difference between speakers, but you can sync other models like the Era 300 using AirPlay, Bluetooth, or the Sonos app. You can turn off the voice assistant by pressing this button, or turning off the microphone using this switch on the back. On the back, the USB-C port allows you to line in or charge your phone's battery. According to Sonos, you can use the Move 2 battery replacement kit on your Move 1 if it ever dies out at Sonos.com. Personally, the multi-room audio capabilities allows you to have an immersive listening experience inside of your room. The volume controls on the Move 2 is way more reliable than my Google Nest Hub. However, I wish there was autoplay because every time my favorite song ends, it stops completely instead of continuing on to the next song in my playlist. If you wanted to hear my own personal experience with other Sonos products like the Era 300, please click on the thumbnail here that will lead you to all the other Sonos videos I have done. And make sure you subscribe to the channel for more Sonos related videos like the Era 300 speakers. For ReaganVFilms, I'm ReaganVFilms. Thanks for watching.